Hello everyone! How are today? I'm your teacher, Jem Ryman, and today I will present to you kung ano ang makukuha ni teacher if ever mayroon siyang more than 360 minutes or 6 hours actual teaching load per day. To answer that question, gagamitin natin yung Department Memorandum 53 Series of 2024 o ang Implementation Guidelines on the Rationalization of Teachers' Workload released last September 27, 2024.
Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Mr. Jem Raimones Chen, Master Teacher 2 from Escalante Central Elementary School. Click like and share if this video tutorial helps you. Don't forget to click subscribe below to keep updated for my future tutorial.
Ito na nga po yung DepEd Memorandum 53 Series of 2024 o ang Implementation Guidelines for Teachers' Workload signed by our DepEd Secretary, Sani Angara. As mandated in Magna Carta for Public School Teacher, teachers are not required to render more than 6 hours of actual classroom teaching a day. But kung sakasakaling mag-render talaga si teacher ng additional teaching loads that is in excess sa kanyang 6 hours teaching load, si teacher ay entitled to be compensated through payment of teaching overload, pero dapat hindi ito lalagpas ng 2 oras kada araw. Now, tingnan natin ang ilan sa mga guidelines and procedures na makikita nga sa Section 5A.2 of the Department Order No. 5 Series of 2024. Weekly po ang pag-accumulate ng number of minutes na excess of the 6 hours na actual teaching load of the teachers. At ito ay i-convert into hours for the computation of teaching overload pay. Again, emphasize lang po natin, maximum of 2 hours lang po ang pwedeng ma-avail ni teacher na overtime teaching kada araw, and that's a maximum of 10 hours per week. Ito po ang general rule for teaching overload as indicated here in the Department Order No. 5 Series of 2024. Yung mga teachers lamang sa schools na may teacher shortage based po sa enhanced planning parameters as seen in the School Form 7 ang pwedeng mag-claim ng teaching overload pay. Pero kung may pagkakataon talaga na ang ilang task ay nangangailangan ng actual classroom teaching duties, maging ito man ay in-person, distance learning o blended, at kasama na din dito yung pagrelievo o pagsasubstitute ni teacher sa duties ng ibang mga guro. At ang actual classroom teaching duties na to ay beyond na sa normal teaching hours ni teacher at naapektuhan na din yung vacant time niya. Sa ganitong senaryo, maituturing itong teaching overload, provided na ito ay lagpas na sa 6 hours na actual teaching ni teacher at hindi mag-i-exceed ng 2 hours ang overtime teaching sa isang araw. Lahat po ng teachers ay kinakailangan munang mag-render ng 6 na oras na actual teaching load bago sila mabigyan ng teaching overload. Mahalagang isaalang-alang ng mga school head ang specialization ng mga guro kapag nagbibigay ng overload assignments. Ito po yung nakalagay sa Department Order No. 5 Series of 2024, particularly in A.2.4. Napunta naman tayo sa Administration of Compensation and Benefits, still in DepEd Order No. 5 Series of 2025. Nakalagay dito na ang bayad para sa teaching overload ay ibibigay in a form of teaching overload pay. Ang school head ay inaatasan na gumawa ng record ng mga guro na nag-render ng higit na 6 na oras na trabaho na naipon sa loob ng isang linggo. Ang payment or ang bayad para sa teaching overload ay gagawin kada quarter o tuwing 3 buwan. At nakabase po ito sa available na fund na nilalaan para dito. Kung sakaling kulang ang pondo, ang mga oras ng teaching overload ay pwedeng palitan ng Vacation Service Credits or VSC ayon sa kasalukuyang patakaran ng Department of Education. Now, this part of the department order ay nagsasaad sa mga patakaran tungkol sa Vacation Service Credits or VSC for teachers. Now, una, ang mga teachers ancillary tasks, pati na rin yung mga teaching-related assignments na ginagawa ng mga teachers labas sa regular na oras ng trabaho or beyond 6 hours actual teaching ay mababayaran sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng vacation service credits. Pangalawa, ang bawat 8 oras na serbisyo na nagawa ng isang guro ay katumbas ng hindi bababa sa 1.25 vacation service credits. Watch out po for my next video, teachers. I will present there the process flow for teaching overload pay and the grant of vacation service credits for teaching-related assignments. And that's all for this video, teachers. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, keep safe, everyone!